You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and we have a new mystery box. I don't know about you, but I felt like it's been like a long time since we've had one of these. And not only do we have a new mystery box, but in the mystery box, brand new cutie. And no, I haven't peeked yet, so we'll go ahead and get in that. We will show him at the end. And not only do we have a new cutie, a new mystery box, but the price reduced is on this, and the amount of savings on this box is insane. So we're gonna save the cutie till the end because he's a new cutie. No, I won't. I lied. I don't do that to you when it's a new cutie, because that way you can run and buy it and you don't have to worry about it. So actually, let's go ahead and get into the cutie first. So I don't know if I said it. Did I say it? But this mystery box is Cricut's Canyon Hues mystery box. And the cutie we're getting is called Canyon Cutie. So let's go ahead and take a peek at the new cutie. And this is Cricut Canyon Cutie. What do you guys think it is, color-wise? My thoughts are it's going to be something in the orange range, maybe red-orange. Oh, look at him. This is a color that's in a canyon. Like, it kind of matches my shirt. Look at that. That's amazing. He's not as orange as my shirt. He might look even a little bit more orange because of the shirt I'm wearing, but he is not quite peach. Like, definitely... Ooh. He's not peach. He's more kind of like if you mix nude and peach, I feel like, is the best way to describe him. So this is like a boho color that you see in a lot of the boho designs. And then so here, and actually I wanted to compare so you can see side by side. So here is the new Canyon Cutie. And then here next to it is the one that's closest to him. This is the Coral Cutie. So the Canyon one here is a little darker, and it's also matte, where this one here next to it, if you can see the light reflected in it. This one is shiny, and this one is matte. So there is the difference in those. And because we get this cutie, it is access only box. And like I mentioned before, it's got a special reduced price. I'll tell you guys that at the end. You're gonna love this. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the box besides our Canyon Cutie. Let's start with something sparkly. You know I love sparkly. Ooh, and I love the mixed materials one. So this is a Martha Stewart mixed materials pack. And this is the White Tie Gala. Let's go ahead and open it up, and then I'll show you what all is included. So in that, you're going to get 2 of the 12 by 12 sheets of the Cricut Premium Permanent Shimmer Vinyl. So you're going to get a 12 by 12 sheet of the silver, and then also of the gold here also. The shimmery of that. So we get 12 by 24 inch of the party foil, and you get this silver color here. So weird, you see my reflection in it. And then you also get the 12 by 24 sheet in the party foil in the gold here also. Look how shiny and pretty. These would be so pretty too for different wedding things, anniversaries. Silver and gold go so good for anniversaries too. And then to transfer, because we have the shimmer vinyl, with the shimmer vinyl you're going to use strong grip transfer tape. So they've also included a 12 by 12 inch sheet of the strong grip transfer tape for you to use also. And we're getting a tube of the 12 by 48 inch permanent premium glossy vinyl. And this is in the parchment color, which is also really good. You can use this as like a skin tone flesh too, but a really good neutral color. And we are going to get 12 by 24 inch of the square everyday iron-on mosaic, and this is in the white. So it gives you these little squares. They made a shirt here, but this looks really good, especially done in bigger designs, shapes of something. You could do Mickey Mouse, all different, but like bigger designs, because then it has the little mosaics in it, and you don't have to, it's really easy to weed because you don't have to like weed each individual thing. It has 2 liners on it, another liner that you pull off while it's a warm peel, and you pull it off, and then that's what's holding all the little squares together. So it's very easy to weed, but it gives a really neat effect. And we are getting this pack of adhesive foil here. So you're going to get 5 sheets, 12 by 12 inches of each sheet. This is the matte adhesive foils. There's a peek at the colors there. So you're going to get one 12 by 12 inch sheet of each of these in matte. So you're going to have gunmetal, gold, champagne, bronze, and silver. So all those good metallic-y colors. And this applies really easily. You could use it for labels, like removable decals, and it doesn't leave any of the sticky residue behind either. But that way you could even label. And look, you could label it and make it all pretty and metallic-y. I don't think that's a word, metallic-y. I made it a word. We're gonna use it. I'm so happy for this because I need one so bad. I was like, oh my, I need it. Like I literally was like, oh, I have to make an order just because I need some blades, but I got a blade. We're getting a premium fine point blade, which we can always use a new blade. A fresh blade definitely makes a difference, especially when you're doing intricates. That was my brain mixing intricate and cuts together. Especially when doing intricate cuts, especially a sharp blade is so important. And we're getting removable matte vinyl, and this is the cottage sampler, so we're gonna get 6 12 by 12 sheets in here. So we're gonna get a sheet of wine, which that is a perfect like Merlot wine color there. We are getting a lemongrass. So how do you describe lemongrass? Not lime green, but a more muted green, kind of like between sage and lime green. And then this color here is called blue sage, which I really think of it as like a robin egg blue. And then we're getting coffee, a nice brown color, cream, and last but not least, then we're also getting navy here too. So we're getting all those colors in there, but we're still not done. We still got more. So we are getting an extra large scraper here in mint. I don't know about you guys, but I use this scraper all the time to scrape my little pieces off. And we still are going. And we are getting a pack of 12 Cricut Joy insert cards. And this is the gray silver holographic pack. So that really pretty, you can see it shimmer in there of the stuff I say that unicorns are made out of. Look at the hollow. And then these cards are going to be the 4.5 by 6.25 inch. So you have 12 of these. So you're going to get 12 of the gray cards in there. And then you're going to get 12 of the holographic inserts. And then you're also going to get 12 envelopes also. Pretty, pretty. That's everything. So that's everything that's in the Canyon Hues Cricut mystery box. Now I said though, these are normally $59.99, right? And they're access only. So you still get your access discount. Good Lord. You still get your excess discount, but instead of the $59.99 this month for this box, well, not for this month, but for this box is only $39.99, and the MSRP on this box is $132. So with your excess discount, that's almost $100 off this box. Canadian friends, it is $69.99 Canadian, and your MSRP is $183. So yes, we're talking $100 savings on this mystery box. Crazy. So to purchase, we do have the links below to go ahead and purchase this mystery box. We greatly appreciate when you use our links. It comes at no added cost to you, and it just helps support small business. So we greatly, greatly appreciate when you guys use those links. And we appreciate when you give us the like and the thumbs up, comment, all of those. Did you get the box? Did you get the box? What do you think of this price on this? Is this not crazy? And I can't tell you how excited. I don't ever peek what's in the box until I open it because I just like to be surprised. But the fact that I got my premium fine point blade, thank you Cricut. And if you're not Access, there is so many reasons to join Cricut Access. All those images that you see with the green A are all included when you're a member of Cricut Access. Plus you get all those fonts that are also included, and you get background remover, monogram maker, convert to layers, warp. But there's so many benefits you get, and you get your $10 quarterly code. And don't forget, if you haven't used your $10 quarterly code for our Access members, the code is SPRING10, all one word, but that's good once for this quarter, and then next quarter you will have another code to use. So there are links below that you can go ahead and join Access if you want to do that also, and you can go ahead and see all the benefits that you get from it. But it really gives you the most out of your Cricut machine when you use Cricut Access. I can't imagine using Design Space without Access. It like gives me all of my favorite things. So thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate it. If you could give us the thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe, you'll get an alert whenever we have new videos come out. You can catch us live on Fridays, Saturdays, and Tuesdays. Fridays we go through new image sets with our crafty friends, and that happens at 2 p.m. Eastern. And then on Saturdays we are live at noon Eastern, and that is to design in Design Space. So each week we'll come up with a different project, and sometimes you guys help us decide as we're creating. But we'll go ahead and show that in live. That way you see how to create a project. And then on live on Tuesday evenings, we go ahead at 8 p.m. Eastern and we put that project together. That way you know how to assemble it. I don't know about you, but I thought that was a really good box. We got a lot of stuff, and the price on that is insane. Plus, we got a new cutie. Like, I can't believe they're doing that price that includes a new cutie. So thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate all of you guys, you supporters that are watching us, and our admin team. We have a phenomenal admin team, and we can't do it without you guys. We just love you guys. Thank you. So everybody have a craftastic rest of your week. Hope the weather is good. Summer's here, right? Well, I mean, Memorial Day's over now, so does that, it's like summer's here. In my eyes, summer's here. So enjoy it. I hope you guys have good weather, and we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, everyone. Doodles from Alex.